apparently the inflation numbers in China came and it was lower than expectation, so that was a little bit of a boost for investors. I again I woke up late, unfortunately. It's just I'm still recovering from all the travels that I had last week. I had one good trade on Tesla and one bad trade on AMD. At the end of the day, eventually I turned out to be only 1,000. Good morning, everybody. Doing the recap, Andrew from the office. So the markets today gapped up and continues running higher. Right now, as I'm speaking, market is up almost 2% for Qs, 1.5% for other indexes. And the reason for that is apparently the inflation numbers in China came and it was lower than expectation, so that was a little bit of a boost for investors. I woke up late, unfortunately. It's just I'm still recovering from all the travels that I had last week. I had one good trade on Tesla and one bad trade on AMD. At the end of the day, eventually I turned out to be only $1,000 profit, unfortunately, because AMD was a big loss. And the other positions that I have is I have some SSO, which is the leverage for SPY, and I sold some calls on TQQ on 32 for the end of the month, which I'm up on that. If it goes worthless, it would be $55,000 profit. So we'll see how it goes. But talking about the trade, so only $1,000, that's okay. So Tesla was the trade of the day for me. It was like a very nice ABCD pattern. We had this rally because I missed the open trading. Missed this rally. Really nice consolidation. So I went long, put a stop loss almost to the VWAP, and then we just did break out toward 298. So that's an ABCD pattern. That I did from 295.50 all the way to 98. And then AMD was another trade that I wanted to get, but AMD turned out to be a horrible choppy day for AMD. I saw the same thing on AMD, but it was more choppier. I went long at 84.90 and I added more a little bit on this pullback, hoping to get to break out toward 85, and then it dropped and got stopped out right at this bottom. It bounced back. I went long again to see if we can get another one. But today is not a day for AMD, unfortunately, so I got chopped out. So yeah, the loss on AMD was really bad. The loss on Tesla, the win on Tesla was good, and at the end it's just $1,000. But it is what it is. Yeah, Brian, how was your day?
No, it was good. I got to do two kind of more of my unusual setups, which is the Phoenix trade and the lead balloon trade. So on my Phoenix trade is the stock trading on news, and basically it's gapping down, but it's trading above the VWAP, so it's showing strength. And that stock was ZUMZ. So you can kind of see how it was setting up, gapping down, trading above the VWAP. As opposed to a fallen angel, ZUMZ. So unusual, it's not like a rising devil, your stock is below the VWAP. The Phoenix trade, the stock's above the VWAP. So I mentioned this at the open. This was the one I was really interested in, and it just started to run right at the open. So I got long on it, and yeah, I got it at 23, around 23.80, and yeah, just kept partialing all the way up to 25.50, I think was the highest. Was when I ended up getting out of it. So yeah, so that was a good trade. And the other one was Docu, which was a reported earnings last week, or last night, I should say. Again, an earnings event, which is I look for. And it was gapping up, but this time, this one was trading below the VWAP, not above it. So, so I took. So what that tells me is it's probably going to be a short, and it was looking a little weak going into the open, which again, that's what I look for. And yeah, it just started to drop. So I got in. Unfortunately, I got in a little late on that because I was trading ZUMZ at the same time, so I was paying more attention to that, but had a nice pop up and then a drop. So, and I know some of our other traders caught that one as well. So anyway, yeah, no, it was overall was a pretty two good unusual setup days, but it works. And I'm in TQQ obviously, and some of my other swing trades, CCJ, which is actually just flat right now. But anyway, that's it. It was a good day. Good way to end the week.
Awesome. So yeah, thank you so much. Today's Friday.
Yeah.
Friday? Oh yeah, today's Friday. Thank God it's Friday. It was a really difficult week for me. But hopefully I recover over the weekend, and the next week we're gonna be. So the Toronto. So my presentation is on Saturday. Mike Bellafiore from SMB Capital also have a presentation on Saturday. Peter is coming, and the people who are coming, maybe we can actually have the discussion in the forum. Maybe we can have an email inbox, and maybe we can do something. Definitely, if you come to Toronto, please come support my presentation. I hate to give the presentation to the empty room, especially that it's at the end of the day. There is an exhibition hall, which is really cool actually. The money shows are really nice. There's an exhibition that we can go there, hang out. I think there's drinks, and if not, maybe we can find a bar or something to do that. But thanks for coming. I don't think we're gonna have any big formal meetup for Toronto. The place that we're going to hang out and see each other is actually my 45-minute presentation, and maybe after that we can stay in the room or go to the exhibition hall. And if people want to stay later, maybe we can go for drinks or something. But yeah, I appreciate if you guys come. I'll be there Friday and Saturday. There's really high quality presentations. It's really good. I'm probably the lowest quality presenter among all of them. So I always enjoyed presentations over there. The link for the sign up, I can send it to you, Cameron, or I'm sending an email today if you are in our newsletter. Perfect, guys. Thank you so much, and have a good weekend. See you on Monday morning sharp. Don't be late, guys. Cheers.